Hi again from the Highland Orchards greenhouse. Today I'll be showing you how to transplant tomatoes. Tomatoes are very versatile. There's lots of flavors, sizes, and colors. And these particular ones are one of my favorites. This type is called Sun Gold, and I'm not a particular tomato lover, but these are cherry tomatoes that are low in acidity, and you can pop them right off the vine and into your mouth, and they are delicious and sweet. And the leaves have a really nice aroma, which is how you can tell that it's a Sun Gold tomato plant and tell it apart from other types of tomatoes. So what I've done first is I've popped it out of the cell, and I can show you with another. When you are transplanting, often you're transplanting from a small cell or pot into a larger one, or up potting. So I've pinched the bottom and pulled it out gently, supporting it with the weight of my hand and also at the base of the plant. And sometimes roots can be a little bit constricted. So actually there's two plants in here. I'm going to thin this to one plant. And then I'm going to just gently loosen the roots. Most plants don't need this at this stage, but as plants get bigger and you're transplanting them, from like this size, if they've been in here for a very long time, into the ground, you may want to loosen the edges of the roots so that they can spread out into the soil. So what I'll do next is I'll make a hole in the soil. And tomatoes like to be planted deep, and what you can actually do with tomatoes is remove some of the bottom leaves. These are the leaves from the seed coat, or the cotyledon, which is what gives the plant energy when it first emerges from being a seed. So it's graduated from baby plant to slightly bigger baby plant. So I'm going to plant it down a little bit deeper than you'd expect. Some plants, many plants, like being planted where the soil level in their cell stays the same from the small pot to the big pot. But tomatoes will send out roots from their stems, and that helps them become sturdier. If you ever have a leggy tomato, you can also plant it on its side and then stake up the top to increase the amount of roots that it has and anchor it to the soil. So this is our little Sun Gold tomato, and I can do a couple more. And I'm really excited about these. I'm going to be buying some myself for my garden at home.